am going to wrap things up for today with a little snack, maybe off a grill. Henny's back. Gonna go for a little stroll and get a little snack before bedtime, I think.
You have the money?
I have some cash, like what, like, I don't know, 14 or 16,000.
Yeah, we have
That's
to check.
not too much, right? Oh yeah, that's only like a buck or something.
Yeah,
but
probably not enough.
GoPro is not too good with the dark.
Indomie-nya berapaan? 10. 10,000. Yeah, he just see for you then. Yeah. Dia mau cobain Indomie-nya. Yeah. Yeah.
Complete?
Yeah, yeah. Sit down.
Okay, let's do that.
Hey. Kamu namanya siapa?
Who's making the Indomie?
Indomie. Otak aku.
Now Indomie? I have decided on Indomie. Indomie complete, right?
Chili?
Not for tonight, not for tonight.
Oh, nggak usah.
Normally yes, but not tonight.
Ya, sedikit telur.
Tomat? Oh no, egg tolo. Oh, tolo, yes.
Tekan diceplok.
Disuruh makan telur. Merahnya juga nggak apa-apa sih dimakan. Cuman lebih kolesterol.
Little Indomie shop. Can't go wrong with that. I've actually been wanting to come here. They only serve malam at night. You want to see the camera? You want to see the camera? There you go. Say hello. Say hello.
Ngemil apa ya?
Okay.
Kalau udah kaki sakit juga.
Henny met her old neighbor. Jog it.
Ya, Bu.
That's pickle too. We gotta do that at home, babe. Put pickles in it. Some spinach. I think like sour spinach, right?
No, it's more like a bok choy.
Bok choy, similar to spinach. And we got nicely fried egg. Perfectly fried, actually, not overcooked. I don't know why I'm coughing. It's not spicy. I asked for not spicy today. But must be all the motorcycles making me cough. We'll end it there. Good Indomie. This is like, what do you call this? Like Indomie wartime.
Warung Indomie.
Warung. Warung Indomie.
And this is your audience here. Live audience.
Good then. I like it. Complete. I like it with the pickle. What do you say? How do you say pickle in? Achar. A-C-A-R. Okay. Almost gone. It was tasty.
Yeah.
Indomie is the best. And super, say hot. Say hot.
Say hot. If you put egg and
Put egg and veggies in it, pickle, all good. Does it have smell? Wangi?
He's not using sandal.
Barefoot? Yeah, well, I think he's used to it.
Mau kemana lilingnya?
Iya, keliling lah. Awas pakai motor banyak ya, sayang.
Ya.
Aku lagi makan. Katanya kita bertiga dia sendiri. Ya gila, ya katanya kita bertiga dia sendiri. Ayo. Kita
Ayo. Does this little Day know where we're going?
Ya.
Mau ngapain?
Only in Indonesia.
Ini jalan-jalan.
Little children lead you through the gang.
Oke, ke sini ya, balik lagi kami ya.
This way?
Mau kemana?
Udah, cuma dekat-dekat aja, bolak-balik.
Balik.
Kayak fotokopi.